Hey there, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm excited to share with you how to get started using Sora 2, which is OpenAI's latest and greatest video generation model, which is more physically accurate, realistic, and more controllable than prior systems. This is quite similar to Google Veo 3. They just recently announced 3.1 as well, which is very powerful in terms of what the things that you can do with it. I don't typically use these AI video generation tools all that much, because I'm already getting about 10 million views per month on Facebook, and I don't use AI generation tools, but I am curious to see what this is capable of. So in order to get started, you can actually just click on download app, and it will take you over to the Apple Store right here. I don't have an iPhone, so I'm not going to be using this app, which actually doesn't get very good reviews. It's only 2.8 out of 5 with 4,700 ratings. So, I mean, you can use this if you want to, but I would recommend just using one of the many available platforms to create these videos for free. This is what it can do. It looks super realistic. Here's a figure skater with a cat on her head ice skating. Here's a guy doing a backflip on a stand-up paddleboard, which looks pretty realistic, definitely better than some of the other models that I've seen so far. Here's a guy standing between two horses with legs spread. That's also pretty realistic. The physics look great. Here's another one, fireworks over Japan in this anime series, which looks really cool. And one more of an astronaut golden retriever going into a space station, looks like here. So these are just a few examples of what it's capable of. And obviously you could just scroll through the official press release article here and take a look at some of the videos that you can create. So I'm going to come on over to Higgsfield. This is one of the tools that will allow you to use Sora 2 completely for free. They've got Sora 2 Pro, Sora 2 Max, Sora 2 Pro Max. Sounds very similar to the models of iPhones that you can get. And they've even got Veo 3.1 and Veo 3 in here as well. So if I want to create a video using Sora 2, this one actually is asking me to upgrade, so it's $9 per month. And that gives you 150 credits per month. So it looks like that will, chances are, be paid on this particular platform. But let's take a look at Google Veo 3. That one's also going to be paid. It's $29 per month to use that, which is still a lot cheaper than if you were to do this through Google's platform itself. But there's some models in here that you can use for free, like Dance. That's also going to be a premium tool. So it looks like a lot of these are paid. I don't really want to upgrade all that much right now because, like I say, I don't really use these tools all that much. So we'll save that for later. That's Higgsfield AI. There's another one over here called Sora2.run, and this is an AI video generator, text and image to video, which allows you to generate video with sound from a single prompt. So I can read through this website for more details. You can take a look at some of the videos that it can create using some of these powerful AI video generation models. And if I want to get started, I can just click on Get Started with Sora 2. And as you can see, it's got Sora 2 built into it. It's also got Veo 3, Runway, and a couple other models. If I want to just create a simple video, all I have to do is I can either do image to video or I can do text to video. I'm not great at coming up with prompts on the fly, so I'm just going to take this and put it into the generator over here. They have some examples in here as well if you want to just use one of the built-in examples. And then in order to get started, I just click on Generate Video. It's going to be 10 credits. I will need to create an account, which is completely free to get started. So I'm just going to sign in with my Gmail account real quick as I take a sip of coffee. And we're going to copy and paste in that prompt again. And then I'm just going to click on Generate Video now. Once again, it's looking like, unfortunately, I will need to upgrade to the paid plan in order to use this. And it looks like the Pro plan is the most popular. It's $60 a month. Let's see if Veo 3 is available. Once again, that's also not available. So let's come over to another tool, which is called Artlist right here. And I can just click on Get Started for free. We'll see if it's actually true to its word. in this case. And this one should allow me to create videos completely for free. We'll see if it actually works or not. Artlist. I'm going to come on down to AI image and video. You can also scroll through examples on here as well. And then I can select the model that I want to use. So they've got Veo 3 Fast, Sora 2, Sora 2 Pro, Veo 3.1, Veo 3.1 Fast, Kling 2.5 Turbo, and Veo 3 built in here. So I'm just going to select Sora 2. It says it's experiencing high demand. Please allow for extra time for your video to generate. So we'll see if, first of all, this actually works completely for free, or I will need to pay. And looks like the current model, it only allows up to 720p HD, which is fine. I'm going to subscribe to generate. And unfortunately, once again, it's asking me to pay $20 a month in order to use this tool, which I'm not going to do. It's also built into Heygen, which I've also made tutorials about on this channel, showing how to create AI avatar videos using Heygen. This is one of the most powerful platforms available. I would recommend, if you are going to pay for one of these paid platforms, just get started with Heygen. And it says Sora 2 is built directly into it. So you can read through this website for more information here. And in order to get started completely for free, you will just create your account over here. So I'm just going to go ahead and log into my account, and we'll see if we can actually get started creating these videos for free through Heygen. Chances are they're also going to ask us to upgrade to the paid plan, which I think is around $29 per month. So same price as the other ones we've looked at, basically. So now I'm logged into my account, and as you can see at the top here, it says Veo 3.1 avatar video. So in order to try that out, you can just click up here and you can take a look at some of the examples right here. So you can see what it looks like. It's very, very realistic. And if I want to, create one of these avatar videos using Veo 3.1, I could just add in my prompt over here. And in this case, I'm just going to type something real basic, hello. And it should generate the video for me within a couple seconds using Veo 3.1, and it's completely free to get started. So, this is one of the best platforms that I've found so far for creating AI avatar videos. And I've also used it to automate some of my content generation, which I've made tutorials about on this channel as well. If you feel free to check those out. And this is actually an old account, so I don't think I have my avatar videos in here yet, but I want to go ahead and see how to get started with Sora 2 in here. So they do have Veo 3.1 built in, which is fantastic, but I'm specifically looking for Sora 2. Just going to come down to projects here and see if that video is finished. Looks like it's currently still processing. It's a very short video, so it shouldn't take that long to create this. But I'm still looking for Sora 2 in here. I'm not seeing it right away. It should be built in here somewhere because it says on the website that it includes Sora 2, but I'm not seeing it right away. Here it is. UGC ad video, create engaging UGC style ads with Sora 2. So I'm imagining this is what we're looking for here. And in order to get started, I could just upload an avatar photo. So I'm going to use a photo of myself right here. This is from my school community, which, by the way, is completely free to join. We've got 1,000 members in here at the time of recording, and it's growing fast. I get about 10 to 15 new members joining every single day. Great place to ask your questions. Feel free to join. And I'm just going to give it a title, School Community, right? AI School Community. And should be able to generate the video. If you do want Sora 2 Pro, you will need to upgrade in order to unlock this particular feature, which is only $29 per month, which I'm probably going to do at some point. It's only $29 a month, so very affordable, and it allows you to create AI avatar videos, which you can use for content generation as well. So yeah, definitely recommend that. I'm just going to upload this photo here, and we'll see what it can create using Sora 2. So I'm just going to generate the video. I'm just going to take a sip of coffee. We'll wait for this to generate and see what it looks like. And we can also go through the press release over here a little bit more as well and take a look at some of the videos that it's able to create while that's generating. This seems to be quite a popular one for some reason. It's just like a guy jumping off a diving board. Here's a guy on top of a horse on top of another horse, which is interesting, I guess. Here's a guy skateboarding. Looks very realistic. The physics are definitely on point, and it's only going to continue improving from here. So this is the worst it's ever going to be, at this given time. And these things are just going to continue getting better and better. And possibly they could replace directors in Hollywood. I mean, that's the direction we're heading, right? So let's come back over here and see how the video is generating. Still processing. It looks like it had an error, unfortunately. So it just says error here, content moderation. Your request was blocked by Sora's content policy. Please check that your prompt and reference image comply with content guidelines. So unfortunately, that wasn't able to create my video for some reason. But just know that Sora 2 is built into Humen. There's a link in the description below if you want to sign up with my affiliate link. I will get like a 20-30% commission on everybody that signs up. Always appreciated. Looks pretty good. That's pretty impressive. And that's Google's latest 3.1, Veo 3.1. So you can generate all this stuff directly within Humen. All you have to do is come up here to click on Create, and you can create a video agent. You can create using AI Studio, a quick avatar video, hyper-realistic translation, audio dubbing, so this can also translate into other languages as well. And you can you can also generate voices through here as well using 11 Labs, or just create a voice directly from within Humen. So very, very powerful tool. Again, link in the description below. Sign up. It's completely free to get started. And then the creator plan is $29 per month. So if you want to upgrade, you just click on upgrade down here. And as you can see, creator's $29 a month. You've got the team plan for $39, and that includes unlimited videos up to 30 minutes, 4K videos versus 1080p for the creator plan, faster video processing, extended video generation with Avatar 4, and lots of other features. So with that being said, thanks so much for watching this video. Sorry it wasn't a little more helpful, but you will have to actually upgrade to use some of these other tools. Either that, or you can just get an invite code from a friend of yours that has access to Sora 2, and you can start generating these videos using their official platform. But if you don't have that, I'd highly recommend using Humen. Very, very powerful. With that being said, thanks so much for watching. Signing off. Peace from Thailand. I will see you in the next video tutorial.